Hi, it's Chris Chinnock for Insight Media. I'm at Display Week 2024. I'm in the technology suite for Rain Technology. They're a company you may not have heard of, but they've actually been around for quite a while, developing a lot of IP around films, polarization, 3D, etc. So I wanted to show you first how their privacy film works on laptops. They have an exclusive with HP for the privacy film on their laptops. So let's take a look at how this works. So if you look at this diagram here, what it's showing is the laptop stack that's used by HP. The backlight here, the LCD, you've got a retarder stack, an active retarder stack with polarizers up and down. So in the normal mode, what you see here is the ambient light comes in, it gets reflected off the backlight and can contribute to light. There's a wide output cone here. But when you put the privacy film on, this is like V1, so it's the retarder stack is letting ambient light get through, but it's letting the LCD image come through as well. When you change the voltage on that retarder stack, which is basically a big single cell LCD panel, what you do now is change the polarization of this light as it goes through the polarizer, and it gets blocked. And then it also changes the compensation for the light going through the LCD panel for a very narrow cone. So that's how it works on the laptop. And if you look at the laptop here, we're straight on, but if I go off axis, you can see the image gets very dark. Now, and this is actually turned on by the user with a little button on the laptop itself. So you can see actually the screen got brighter when the privacy mode is off, but it doesn't have to get brighter. That was just an implementation by HP. Now, the second architecture I want to show you is this one for a personal information display in automotive. Now you've got the configuration's a little bit different. You can see you've got actually two BLUs, backlight units, as part of this, and the LCD is further up in the stack here. And so again, with V1 in this case, you've got normal operation. You change to V2 over here, and it changes how that retarder stack acts and directs light very directionally, uh, as you can see in this diagram. So let's go take a look at that. So down on the trade show floor, Rain Technologies implemented their privacy film in the Tiama booth. I captured a little bit of that demo in the Tiama video I did there. I'll put that into this video as well so you can see how it works there. Over here is a privacy screen demo. This is technology from Rain Technology, and they call this a screen branding option. So I'm in the driver's position here. This is what you might see in the normal, and now it's gone dark. And if you change it maybe another time, you'll start to see some branding. Uh, There we go. Now you can see that there's the Rain brand, and on the other side, a little bit dim, is because of the contrast here. There it is, the Tiama logo on the other side over here. So this is a kind of an interesting concept. You don't just have to put a blank screen for the passenger side for the driver. You can put a logo up there, and vice versa. You can put a logo for the passenger looking at the driver's screen. Is this an advertising opportunity or branding opportunity? Perhaps. I think this is kind of why they're showing this at the show here to see what tier ones and car makers think. Okay, here is another demonstration of a privacy film. This is to demonstrate a switchable asymmetric privacy film. So first of all, it is switchable, so I can turn it on and off. So here is off, as you can see, on both sides, and on is when it's fully on. It's asymmetric because this is going to be a passenger display, not a center console display. and it can have different levels of light transmissivity. So it's 0.2% light passing on this side, 0.5% light passing on the other side. Um, and this is all obviously adjustable in the retarder stack based on the geometry of the situation. One more to look at. This is Rain's point of sale demo. So this could be at a retail store, obviously coffee shop, maybe an ATM. And in this mode, there's no privacy. You can see everything. But when you start the transaction and you stick in your card, it's supposed to go into privacy mode. And as you can see, it does do that. And when you take your card out, it comes out of privacy mode. So pretty cool. Chris Chinnock for Insight Media.